Hello and welcome to my first public introduction to our Ziranmen training methods. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, I thought it's a good opportunity to share some knowledge with you so that you can get a better insight into our Ziranmen. In this way, it's a win-win. You are going to see the first basic movements of our PiQuan. PiQuan is one of 5-element fists, and you can find a similar concept in close to all Chinese martial arts. If you are a practitioner of XingYi Quan, you may already notice that on one hand it looks very familiar to what you used to see or practice, and on the other hand that the body mechanics, footwork, flow and head movements are quite different. And that's because it's simply a different style. So this video is not supposed to be about the differences between XingYi and Ziranmen. It's an introduction into the first simple steps of learning our PiQuan. First, let your front foot point forwards and your rear foot 45 degrees to the outside. Second, do not twist your body and have your shoulders in line. Now lower your pelvic like you would sit on a chair but without really sitting. Pull your front foot back to your rear foot's ankle and reposition your front foot with 45 degrees to the outside. Shift your weight and lift your rear foot to the front. Hold your pelvic the whole time in the lower position so that you can easier lift your whole foot without pulling up your heel too much. When you are pulling back the front foot to your ankle, do not press both knees together. Open your so-called quad and let your knees follow the structure, so that it feels like a soft tension in your lower body. Thank you very much for watching. Please keep in mind that this is a beginner video. This video has no intention in showcasing any structure work or energy development.